I belong to a business class family who is staying in Lonavala since birth. Since childhood, I had a dream of doing something for the society where we live in. सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ करना ये भी हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, नो मैटर इन व्हाट वे. यहाँ तक पहुँचना इतना आसान नहीं था. मेंटर्स, कुछ फ्रेंड्स, कुछ फैमिली की वजह से ये सफ़र मुमकिन हो पाया मेरे लिए. My parents have always been a source of inspiration for me. They being into social work कई कितने सालों से बिना कोई उम्मीद के, फिर चाहे वो ब्लाइंड होम हो, कपड़ों के लिए हो या अन्न के लिए हो, ऐसे कई उदाहरण. और कई सालों से मन में एक प्रश्न उठ रहा था कि मैं कब और कैसे जिंदगी कट रही थी. एंड आई वॉज गोइंग विद द फ्लो ऑफ लाइफ. मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये कोविड कितनी खतरनाक बीमारी है और इसका अंजाम क्या हो सकता है, इसके साथ काम करने का अंजाम क्या हो सकता है. बट देन we all were trained under the ex-superintendent of LMC Hospital, Dr. Jagtap sir, who trained us pretty well, and our knowledge about COVID was enhanced. Then came a time when I was appointed as a medical officer at LMC by the ex-chief officer Sachin Pawar sir, by the president of Lonavala Surekha Tai, and by the ex-vice president of Lonavala Kumu Pujari sir. My well-wishers, the first one, that's my family, and the second, my friends. They were totally against. Lots of phone calls, lots of messages, lots of personal one-to-one sittings. They were right at their place and I was right at mine. On one side, I had an opportunity to save the lives of others, and on the other side, my own. As a doctor, we pledge, and that was a time truly to follow it. I tried to maintain balance at that time between my personal and professional life. Every successful mission, it needs a strong planning, and so was in our case. Meeting was planned. Government OPD had to be managed. It was the month of April, and wearing a PP kit in the month of April was a big task. Drenched in sweat completely, we had to conduct surveys for people with the help of Asha Sevikas, Anganwadi Sevikas, nurses, LMC staff. We checked the temperature of people, asked if they have any symptoms, and we prescribed them with the medicines. Some patients were cooperative, some were not. We met n number of n types of patients, and we had to worry about their care and safety. So we had to be neutral with all of them. I even received threat calls that if I quarantine or if I take any action against anybody, that I'll be killed. But still, in all such situations, I had to remain calm all the time. There were a few set of people who were dying to get relocated to their hometown. I, along with my team, we worked for them by managing travel, money, and other expenses. Lot of time I was feeling so helpless. I was feeling I couldn't do anything. I used to cry and I used to pray to God. I wished I could have some superpowers. But reality में बात कुछ और ही थी. It was a time that enforced people to act. इसीलिए कौन बुरा है या कौन अच्छा है, ये हम उस वक्त जज नहीं कर सकते थे, बिकॉज इट वॉज अ टाइम. Our first COVID case in Lonavala was here. Till then, Lonavala was pretty happy since there was no COVID case in Lonavala. But this very first case, it really scared all of us. 6 hours we were in PPE kits, completely drenched in sweat. Nurses, LMC staff, all of them. We were without food, without water for nearly 6 hours. Ambulance services. Ambulance services were a big task in the month of June. There was only one ambulance available and there were no COVID hospitals in Lonavala. We had to shift the emergency patients to Talegaon. And one ambulance used to take nearly 2 to 3 hours to reach the destination. People even feared coming near us since I used to check the COVID patients. Even staying with family, I used to face a lot of rejection. Rejection को बहुत करीबी से मैंने महसूस किया है. Staying in my own locality, मैं एक अजनबी की तरह महसूस करती. I used to receive threat calls from people that I am bribing money. It used to hurt me a lot when people used to say that I am making business out of COVID. The first COVID care center was now started at Jhalawadi, Lonavala by LMC with facilities of good food and stay. Now Lonavala breathed a sigh of relief. Because earlier there was no COVID care center. The LMC staff, few doctors and LMC hospital staff managed the COVID care center. CO sir, Sachin Pawar sir, was now transferred to other area and CO sir, Ravi Pawar sir, was now appointed as a chief officer of Lonavala in the month of July. He also proved to be a gem of a person and who helped us a lot to manage the COVID care center. Thank you, sir, for your dedication. Thanks to Surekha Thai as well, the president of Lonavala, who proved to be a strong woman and who helped us. Thanks to the ex-vice president, Kumu Pujari sir, who always supported me whenever I needed him. Then came the month of August and we breathed a sigh of relief. Ambulance was provided with the help of LMC and MLA Sunil Anna Shelge sir. It became easier for us to shift the emergency patients ahead. Also, thanks to Dr. Amol Agarwal sir of Sanjeevani Hospital. He started with the COVID care hospital there and became easier for us to shift the emergency patients there because he made the services like ventilators and oxygen supply easy for us there as well. Thanks to both of them. I had really lost the taste of my personal life. My physical and mental health was really getting badly affected. My personal relations, family relations were badly affected. But I didn't even have time to resolve them. Besides this, my only motive at that time was to keep the patients happy. So I had to keep them entertained and motivated. I celebrated festivals like Janmashtami, etc., celebrated birthdays of the patients to keep them entertained. I distributed chocolates to the kids, played games with them. But besides all this, I had to redefine myself. It was very hurting. Now came the month of September. Patients were increasing day by day. And now there came a need to control the spread of coronavirus. So, a drive was conducted by LMC. 6 centers were selected in Lonavala where antigen testing was done free of cost. And I managed one center where this drive we conducted very successfully, and antigen testing, when it was done, few patients were tested positive, and these patients were then shifted to the COVID care center. Since patients were increasing day by day, there came a need to have or to start with one more COVID care center in Lonavala. After the drive was conducted, new patients were detected, and so there was a need of one more COVID care center in Lonavala. Wagad COVID Care Center extension was then started by LMC. I was given a huge responsibility of being the center head of this center. I started it pretty well, though the first 4 days were pretty difficult for me, but with the help of LMC, they provided me with staff, with police, with security, with few doctors and nurses and some other staff. I managed it pretty well. I decorated Wagad COVID Care Center with positivity. I wrote positive quotes with the help of my staff, decorated Wagad COVID Care Center with full of positivity. I started with yoga sessions, with counseling sessions, Reiki healing sessions, laughter sessions, then playing games with kids and performing some activities for the kids. Because hota hai na, khali dimag shaitan ka ghar. And actually the patients used to get pissed off sitting idle there. So my only motive there was to motivate the patients, and the patients after leaving the COVID care center, they should be happy. So my motive was fulfilled, and after starting with these activities, I prepared a schedule basically. So the patients were entertained, even the oxygen levels were rising. With the help of Pankaj Sharma, yoga sessions were conducted and we checked. The oxygen levels were rising and patients were really happy. I even started doing antigen testing myself at Wagad COVID Care Center with my staff and with the permission of LMC. And I'm really thankful to them that they helped me out. Thanks to my Wagad staff and thanks everybody, because the feedbacks that we have received of the Wagad COVID Care Center were really good. And thanks to Jhalawadi staff as well for helping me out. दोस्तों, कोरोना की लड़ाई अब तक खत्म नहीं हुई है। सेकेंड स्पाइक की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। हमें इससे डरना नहीं है, हमें प्रिकॉशंस लेना है, जैसे हाथ धोना, देन हाइजीनिक रहना, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना, मास्क पहनना। ये सब प्रिकॉशंस आप लोगे तो आप इस लड़ाई को भी जीत पाओगे। दोस्तों, कोरोना ने हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया है, जैसे पैसों से ज़्यादा जिंदगी कीमती है। हमें झगड़ना नहीं है, अगर झगड़ा होता भी है तो भी माफ़ करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। जैसे मैंने बताया, ज़िंदगी पैसे से ज़्यादा कीमती है, तो एक दूसरे की मदद के बिना ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। एक दूसरे की मदद करते रहना भी ज़रूरी है। हर स्ट्रगल को हमें एक चैलेंज की तरह फेस करना है। अगर हम स्ट्रगल में चैलेंज की तरह अगर हम लेते हैं तो हम उस लड़ाई को भी हम जीत पाएंगे। एक दूसरे की मदद करना, एक दूसरे की मदद के बिना तो हम कोरोना को अब तक लड़ ही नहीं पाते थे। सभी लोग इसमें डरते थे और डर में अगर किसी को मोटिवेट नहीं करते थे तो हम ये लड़ाई भी हार जाते थे। तो इसीलिए ये भी ज़रूरी है कि हम एक दूसरे की मदद करते रहें, क्योंकि कोरोना ने हमें ये सिखाया है कि हमें एक दूसरे की ज़रूरत कभी भी पड़ सकती है। सो फ्रेंड्स, इन द एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक everyone who was there for me in my support, especially the LMC staff, LMC people, CO sir, Ravi Pawar sir, the current CO, then respected Sachin Pawar sir, the ex-chief officer of Lonavala, then Sureka Tai, the president of Lonavala, then the ex-vice president Kumu Pujari sir of Lonavala, then the current vice president of Lonavala, Balu Shirke sir, then some of the doctors, the Jhalawadi staff who was there for support, Wagad staff who were always supportive of me, the police who always protected us, then the corporators of Lonavala, then Asha Sevika, Anganwadi Sevika, then people who were there at the backstage who always supported me. Then Dr. Indranil Patil sir, the current superintendent of Lonavala, Dr. Jagtap sir, the ex-superintendent of Lonavala, who educated us with COVID, then Dr. Varsha Patil ma'am, Dr. Amol Agarwal sir of Sanjeevani Hospital, who started with the COVID care center, hospital rather, in Lonavala. I thank everybody for their support. And last but not the least, and my strong support, Sunil Anna Shelke sir, who motivated us to start with the activities all over Mawal Taluka. Thank you everyone, and last but not least, the lab technicians and all the others, mostly whoever was involved with me in this COVID journey. Thank you everyone.
जब कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ तब डॉली बहुत पीछे लग रही थी कि मम्मी मुझे इसमें कोविड जिन्हें हुआ है उन पेशेंट्स के लिए कुछ उनके लिए हेल्प करनी है, उनके लिए मुझे काम करना है। तो पहले तो मेरी भी बहुत इच्छा हो रही थी कि हाँ ये डॉक्टर है, इसने ये करना चाहिए, लेकिन और सभी की तरफ से सोचते हुए ऐसा लग रहा था कि कहीं मन में कहीं तो भी डर छुप रहा था कि सभी इस चीज़ के लिए तैयार होंगे नहीं होंगे, वो आएगी काम करेगी आएगी, उसकी वजह से और किसी को, हम फैमिली वालों को किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है क्या, उसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है क्या, ये सोचते हुए डर भी लग रहा था। फिर ऐसे लग रहा था कि नहीं, उसकी इच्छाएं बहुत पीछे लग रही थी, तो उसे कहा कि हाँ ठीक है चलो करो। लेकिन जब उसने शुरुआत की तब वो आगे आगे बढ़ रही थी, पेशेंट्स भी अच्छे हो रहे थे, पेशेंट्स उसको दुआ दे रहे थे। ये देखते हुए इतना अच्छा लगा कि उसको हम फैमिली वाले भी सभी सपोर्ट करने लगे, बहुत ही अच्छा लगने लगा और हमें ये गर्व महसूस होने लगा कि हाँ आज अपनी बच्ची इतना अच्छा काम कर रही है।
नमस्कार, मी सविता देवकर, मी आशा सेविका म्हणून लोणावळा शहरात कार्यरत आहे आणि ह्या माझ्या 20 जणी मैत्रिणी ह्या सुद्धा आशा सेविका म्हणून लोणावळा शहरात कार्यरत आहेत। आम्ही कोविडमध्ये डॉली मॅडम आणि ह्या 20 जणी आम्ही कार्यरत होतो, काम करत होतो आणि प्रत्येक घरोघरी जाऊन गल्लोगल्ली जाऊन आम्ही काम केलेलं आहे। आणि मॅडमने कधी असा विचार केला नाही, कारण मी त्यांच्यावर सर्वे केलेला आहे, त्या माझ्यावर सर्वे करत होत्या। गल्लोगल्ली घाण असं गटर वगैरे असं त्याचं प्रत्येक कुठल्याच गोष्टीचा विचार न करता त्या प्रत्येक व्यक्तीला चेक करत होत्या आमच्याबरोबर। ते छान म्हणजे चांगलं होतं। आणि परत मला ऑक्सिमीटर, ऑक्सिजन लेवल काय कमी जास्त पडलं तर आम्ही मॅडमला विचारायचो, कुठल्या डॉक्टरांना जरा घाबरायचं तर मग मॅडमला पहिलं विचारायचो, मॅडम हे कसं आहे ते कसं आहे, म्हणजे कमी ऑक्सिजन लेवल कसे असेल तर किती लोकांना म्हणजे नाही का पुढे पाठवायचं का, जरा सांगा मला। ते छान प्रकारे त्यांनी आम्हाला सांगितलं, त्यांच्यावरच आमचं काम खूप छान होतं।
Good afternoon, Dr. Agarwal here. I am the CEO of Sanjeevani Medical Foundation, Lonavala. First of all, let me thank all the people who considered me for this DCHC post, to consider Sanjeevani capable of handling a DCHC, and we really handled it well. In last 2 months, we have handled around 250 patients, and most of them went home peacefully. Basically, this couldn't have been possible because of my subordinates like Dr. Dolly Agarwal, who was in charge of a Corona Care Center, where they did a lot of screening of the entire population, which really helped in detecting the disease early and treating the patients early, and hence the number of patients being referred to DCHC, a higher center, was avoided. So they have really worked really very hard in curbing down the number of patients, the COVID patients in Lonavala, and without which the pandemic would not have been controlled. So I really appreciate their work. They have worked almost literally 14 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours a day. She used to call me up at around 12 o'clock in the night for place in the ICU. They really worked very hard, and they didn't, I think they must have hardly slept for 6 or 7 hours a day throughout the pandemic. So it was more than the DCHC people. I think I'll appreciate the people who worked in CCC, who were the primary, who went home to home in detecting the contacts and finding out the contacts of COVID patients, and early detection was the key, and that's how I think we were able to control the pandemic in Lonavala. So hats off to their work, to Dr. Dolly Agarwal and their team, and really I appreciate their work, and because of which I think more than the DCHC. These people should get the credit for the control of pandemic in Lonavala, of COVID pandemic in Lonavala. Thank you.
लोणावळा नगर परिषदेने जेव्हा कोविड सेंटर चालू केलं आणि अनेक डॉक्टरांना आपण विचारणा केली कोविड सेंटरमध्ये कोण कोण काम करणार, तर त्यामध्ये माझ्या माहितीनुसार पहिली मुलगी असेल की आपल्या लोणावळ्याची डॉली अग्रवाल, तिने पुढाकार घेतला आणि त्यानंतर सीमा शिंदे असे मग नंतर एक एक येत गेले. परंतु डॉली अग्रवालने म्हणजे दिवस रात्र भरपूर मेहनत घेतली. जेवढे जेवढे पेशंट आले, उलट कधी कधी आम्हाला भीती वाटायची आणि नगरपालिकेने देखील तिला भरपूर सहकार्य केलं. त्यावेळेचे मुख्याधिकारी सचिन पवार होते, आताचे मुख्याधिकारी रवी पवार आहे. आणि आम्ही झालावाडीला कोविड सेंटर जेव्हा सुरू केलं त्यावेळेस लोक कोविड सेंटरला जायला घाबरत होती, परंतु हिने रात्रंदिवस त्या ठिकाणी पेशंटची सेवा केली, पेशंटला चांगलं मार्गदर्शन दिलं, चांगली ट्रीटमेंट दिली. म्हणजे प्रत्येक लोकांच्या तोंडामध्ये डॉली अग्रवाल हिचंही नाव चांगलं म्हणजे लोकांच्या लक्षात राहिलं. आणि नगरपालिकेने जे सहकार्य केलं, आज पहिली लोणावळा नगरपालिका ही पहिली नगरपालिका आहे जिल्ह्यातली की ज्यांनी या कोरोनावर 1.5 कोटी खर्च केला आणि सर्व डॉक्टर जे आहेत ते मानधनावर आपण घेतलेले. शासनाने आम्हाला कुठलाही 1 रुपया नाही दिला, परंतु नगरपालिकेने हा संपूर्ण खर्च केला. त्यामध्ये लोकांची जेवणाची व्यवस्था असेल, चहाची व्यवस्था असेल, काड्याची व्यवस्था असेल, बेडशीट बदलणे, हाऊसकीपिंग, संपूर्ण खर्च हा लोणावळा नगरपालिकेने उचलला आहे. आणि त्यामध्ये जर हे लोक जर आम्हाला मिळाले नसते काम करायला डॉली सारखे तर हे शक्य नव्हतं. परंतु यांच्या पुढाकारामुळे त्यानंतर अनेक डॉक्टर अनेक सगळे आले, नर्सेस आल्या, सगळ्यांनी नंतर भाग घेतला. परंतु सुरुवातीला जेव्हा लोकांच्या मनात भीती होती, ज्यावेळेस गरज होती, त्यावेळेस पहिलं प्राधान्य जे आम्हाला कोणी दिलं असेल ते यांनी दिलेले. डॉली अग्रवाल असेल, त्यानंतर आपले सीमा शिंदे मॅडम असतील, त्यांनी जास्तीत जास्त पुढाकार घेतला. त्यानंतर बाकीचे सगळे टीम तयार होत गेली.
लोणावळा नगर परिषदेने जे कोविड सेंटर उभं केलं त्यामध्ये डॉली अग्रवाल यांच्यामुळं ह्या नगरपालिकेच्या कोविड सेंटरला फार मोठा आधार झाला. त्यांच्यामुळं अनेक लोकांचे जीव वाचले गेले, कारण त्यांनी दिवस रात्र त्याच्यावर वाहून घेतलं होतं स्वतःसाठी. आणि त्यामुळं इथल्या लोणावळ्यातल्या नागरिकांना एवढी चांगली सुविधा भेटली आणि त्या सुविधेमुळं कित्येक लोकांचे जीव वाचले गेले. आणि एवढं मोठं काम ज्यावेळेस कोणीच हॉस्पिटलमध्ये म्हणजे काम करायला तयार होतो, कोविड सेंटरमध्ये काम करायचं म्हणजे घाबरत होते, त्यावेळेस डॉली अग्रवालनी काम केलेलं आहे. आम्ही लोणावळा नगरपालिकेला त्यांचं कायम ऋणी राहू. त्यांनी जे केलेलं काम आहे त्यांच्याबद्दल मला स्वतःला त्यांच्याबद्दल फार मोठा अभिमान आहे.
कोविड-19च्या या जागतिक महामारीमध्ये जगातला असा एकही देश नाही की त्या देशामध्ये कोविडचं प्रादुर्भाव झाला नाही. त्यामुळे लोणावळा शहरामध्ये साहजिकच आपण या महामारीतून गेलो आणि सर्वांनी मिळून आपण ही जी महामारी आहे त्याला खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने आपण फाईट केलं. नगरपालिका लोणावळा यांनी या कोविड महामारीच्या कामामध्ये ज्यावेळी आपण हे काम सुरू केलं त्यावेळी विविध संस्था, विविध डॉक्टर्स असतील, आमचे सहकारी, आमचे नगरपालिकेचे कर्मचारी या सर्वांची मदत घेतली. आणि हे करत असताना आपण कोविड केअर सेंटर जे चालू केलं, या कोविड केअर सेंटरमध्ये आम्ही सर्व डॉक्टरांची मदत घेतली. सर्वांनी आम्हाला खूप चांगलं सहकार्य केलं. परंतु यात विशेष उल्लेखनीय बाब म्हणजे आमच्या डॉक्टर डॉली अग्रवाल जे आहेत, तर यांनी खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे या ठिकाणी त्यांची सेवा दिली. अगदी निष्प्रभ भावनेनं त्यांनी या ठिकाणी काम केलं आणि पेशंटशी त्यांनी जो व्यवहार केला किंवा पेशंटशी त्यांनी जे काउन्सिलिंग केलं, पेशंटला जो आधार दिला तो अत्यंत प्रशंसनीय आहे. आणि या कालावधीमध्ये लोणावळा नगरपालिकेमध्ये जे काही पेशंट्स सापडले कोविडचे, तर ते कोविड केअर सेंटरमध्ये गेल्यानंतर त्यांनी त्या ठिकाणी त्यांना अतिशय सुलभ असं वातावरण निर्माण करून दिलं. त्याबद्दल मी खरं त्यांचं या ठिकाणी अभिनंदन करतो.
लोणावळा शहरामध्ये कोरोनाची महामारी ही जी झाली होती, त्या महामारीमध्ये आमच्या लोणावळा नगरपालिकेच्या वतीने तसेच लोणावळा डॉक्टरांच्या सर्व टीमच्या वतीने तसेच विशेष करून आमच्या डॉली मॅडम तसेच आलिया असे बरेचसे डॉक्टर लोकांनी इथं मोठी सहकारी भूमिका केली. आज त्यांच्यामुळं जे ही बिमारी एवढी फैलवली होती ती आमच्या या डॉक्टरनी आणि आमच्या सर्व लोणावळा कर्मचारी वर्गांनी आम्ही एवढी ह्याची फैलाव कमी केला. यांनी एवढं अहोरात्र मेहनत करून यांनी मोठी इथं आपली संख्या जी वाढली होती ती फार कमी करून फार 0 बॅलन्स करून टाकलेलं आहे. तरी अशांना मी सर्वांना धन्यवाद देतो आणि मी थांबतो.
Good evening all, I am Dr. Varsha Patil. I am medical officer from RH Kare Colony and as a part of CCC Lonavala, I'm going to share few of the things with all of you. We all know that we actually had a very tough time with this COVID era, because the virus, which was really not known, suddenly became the major cause of death, and rapid spread of virus due to rapid change in the strains of the virus was really difficult to control. And more difficult than that was to teach the people the three basics, like use of a sanitizer, frequent hand washing, social distancing, proper way of wearing mask. Another thing is like to control the community spread by community screening, for which manpower was needed, and actually it was difficult, or it was hard to find people who will work selflessly and dedicatedly at such a infectious place. But luckily we all have got very nice staff, and each and everybody have worked very well, and I'm really thankful to each and everybody who directly and indirectly supported the CCC and for the control of this pandemic. I am thankful to Dr. Dolly Agarwal, who voluntarily entered in the CCC to serve for the poor and needy people. She worked very hard, selflessly, dedicatedly, and passionately to control the disease, to improve the health of the patients. And her genuine efforts actually worked well for the speedy recovery of the patients. I really appreciate her work, and I'm really thankful to her, and I give her a lot of blessings for her future. And I may pray that this COVID era will end soon, and we all live healthy and happy life forever. Thank you.
मी अँड कोविड ही डॉक्टर डॉली यांनी जी संकल्पना मांडलेली आहे ती खरेच म्हणजे अभिनंदनास्पद आहेत की या घडामोडीमध्ये स्वच्छता कर्मचाऱ्यांपासून ते आरोग्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांपर्यंत आणि डॉक्टरांपर्यंत या सगळ्याच याच्यामध्ये, आणि जे कोविड-19 पॉझिटिव्ह आले होते या पॅन्डेमिक पिरियडमध्ये, त्यांच्याबरोबर काय घडलं कसं घडलं आणि त्यांना या लाईफमध्ये काय एक्सपिरियन्स आला त्याबाबतची ही भूमिका ते याच्यातून मांडणार आहेत. मी त्यांना शुभेच्छा देतो.